So in this video I'll be showing you how you'll be able to download free music, free sound that will be free from copyright. All right, so many songs have copyright issues, but you are going to get songs and sounds that you don't need to worry about copyright claims. All right, so what you need to do is to go over to your browser. You can use any browser for this, so I'll use Chrome for this. Go over to your browser, go to your search bar. You just want to search for Zapsplat. All right, search for Zapsplat. All right, I think this is it. I'll search for it. Okay, then you scroll down here, you can see that this is zapsplat.com. Zapsplat. Check the very spelling very well. Zapsplat. Zapsplat. Click on it. All right, it will bring you here. When you come here, you see free sound effects. All right, you have over 120,000 stunning sound effect and all of that. Okay, now what you need to understand is in this Zapsplat you have two different sections. All right, you have gold section and you have free section. All right, you have gold and free section. All these things are sound. When you go to all category, you have fantasy, you have bell, animation, impact, human, office, nature, different sound that you can actually pick from. But right now you find out that I am on gold sounds. All right, you have different sound here. This is show good sound, this is free sound. If you are not, good sound is when you have signed in, because you will be required to sign in. But if you are using the free sounds, just go to you're going to be here. All right, you don't need to turn. If you turn it on, it will display good sound, which you'll be required to pay. But if you click it off, it will only show you the free sound. So you just scroll. Let me show you. When you come here, you see different sound. So you just click on nature. You can see public places, office, music, impact, humor, animals. So let's check what nature has. Go to nature. Depending on the sound you are looking for, when you go to nature, you can come here. All these things are sound. All right, all these are sound, but let me get a good sound. Go to animal sound. All right, all of these things are sound. But let me show you something else that you can do. Let's return. When you come here again, this place where we first click that you saw animal sound, you are also going to see ambience music. Go to ambience music. All right, so you can see this music. You can actually download this. Let's play another one. You can see that. So all of these things are sounds. Let's play another one. All of these things are sound that you can actually download and use for whatever you want to use it for. All right, you can actually download it and use it for anything you want to use it for, and you are not going to have copyright claims. All right, you are not going to have copyright claim for using them. All right, that's it. You have a lot of sound depending on what you want. If you check what I showed you earlier, you see we have animal sound, we have cantu sound, we have office sound, we have road sound, thunder sound, every kind of sound you want, you can actually get it from here. All right, so once you are done with that, and it's important, most of the time it's important you go for the paid aspect, the paid package. All right, so that you will be open to several of the sound. All right, so when you've chosen the one you want, what you want to do is to click on this place where you have mp3. you have the place on green background, mp3, click on it. Let's see if it's this one I want. I click on green mp3. Okay, it is bringing me here to sign in because already I am using the pro version. You can see our gold member benefit. All right, I'm using the gold version. That is why it brings me there so that I can sign in. All right, I will sign in anyways. I will sign in, but if you have not signed in before, I don't think they will bring you to that place. Don't forget, like I said, if you are not registered, if you are not using the premium version, you will not be requested. They will not ask you to sign in and all of that. But sometimes it's important that you do that so that you'll be recognized. We've passed here, but I just want to show you again. Go to ambience music, then it will bring you here. Okay, let's say I want to download this particular sound now that is playing. All right, so if I want to download it, what I want to do is to click on mp3, just as I said before. Click on mp3. It will bring you to this place. Let me pause the music before going ahead. Click on it. Once it brings you to this place, what you click on is download mp3. I'm sure you can see that. You say remember you must credit us /private attribute when using our sound. Do you now see? If you want to use this sound, what you must do so that you not have copyright issues, if you are not using the pro version, if you are using the free version, which is what I just turned into now, if you are using the free version, you must credit them. Let's say if you are posting it on Facebook, you must credit them at the comment, whether comment section, not comment section, as the description section. You must credit them. All right, by saying this sound I got it from Zasplat and so and so that. Okay, I think they gave example. Okay, just write the Zas from sound from zasplat.com. That's it. That is the credit. That is the example. Sound from Zasplat. Just credit them and it will be free. But if you don't want to credit them, make sure you are using the pro version. And to purchase the pro version, I think you need to pay €4 for a month, right? Get unlimited downloads, attribution free and more when upgraded for just €4. All right, so I have paid for that, but I just have to switch to the free mode so that I can show you. You can also download from free mode. The only difference is that when you upload with the sound, you are going to give them attributes. All right, that's just it. So click on download mp3. You can see it's downloading. It will ask you, do you want to download again? Click on it. You can see that file downloaded. Very simple and easy. It's about 3.97 megabytes. All right, it has been downloaded. If I open it now, it's going to start playing. You're going to see that I say tap to play. If I open it, you start playing. All right, so that is just how to get your free sound. All right, in most cases, if you open it and it didn't play, what you need to do is to transfer it or share it to your WhatsApp and then download it again from your WhatsApp. But in some device it happens like that. In some device it will just play automatically. But if it doesn't play at once, send it, share it to your WhatsApp, download it from your WhatsApp, it will start playing. Is that okay? So that's just it. All right, thank you for staying tuned to this class. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop your comment at the comment section if you have any questions. All right, subscribe to the channel so that you can see more videos like this in the future. All right, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.